Hey, I'm Tam from Discover English with another 1-minute pronunciation tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about how to pronounce the ed ending of regular past tense verbs. There are 3 different ways to pronounce this, so you need to pay attention. For example, the first is helped, the second is planned, and the third is wanted. Rule number 1. If the verb ends in a voiceless sound, the ed sounds like the letter T. So if your vocal cords don't move when you say the last sound, then you know the ending is like the letter T. For example, listen to the word and watch my mouth. Ask, asked. Stretch, stretched. Laugh, laughed. Push, pushed. Okay, time for rule number 2. So if the verb ends in a voice sound, the ed sounds like the letter D. Your vocal cords will be vibrating with this sound, so you can feel the vibration with your hand. For example, turn, turned. Peel, peeled. Analyze, analyzed. Okay, so our last rule. If the verb ends in a D or T sound, you need to add an extra unstressed syllable. To properly notice the sound, you can place one hand under your chin and the other one on your vocal cords. For example, want, wanted. Need, needed. Chat, chatted. Grade, graded. I hope this tutorial helped you and provided you with some new knowledge and that you learned something new. See you next time.